welcome back to Tasneem's Tadka. I'm Mrs. Tasneem Shahani, the home chef for Tasneem's King's Kitchen, Nepal. On a lot of requests from vegetarians, we are specially making today an egg ghee roast. It's a simple egg ghee roast with a little twist in it. So let's start with the ingredients. Boiled eggs, turmeric or haldi, cumin seeds, fenugreek or methi seeds, garlic cloves, a pinch of garam masala, curry leaves, coriander seeds, mustard seeds, a little bit of grated coconut, dry red Kashmiri chilies, green chilies are optional, a little bit of salt, fresh coriander, ghee or clarified butter, and this is the pulp of tamarind or imli. So let's start by dry roasting a few of the spices. I've taken a non-stick pan and we need to dry roast a few of the spices. So we start with the coriander seeds, a few fenugreek seeds, a little bit of cumin seeds, a pinch of mustard seeds. We've taken the dry Kashmiri chilies. Just break it into half. We add the cloves. I've taken 3 to 4 and a little bit of grated coconut. Just roast it till you get a lovely fragrance and you feel all the spices are a little brown in color. Once the spices are roasted and they have cooled down, we need to dry grind it. So now the grinding is finished, so let's start cooking. So let's put at least 1.5 spoon of ghee in the pan. The ghee is hot, so now let's add the roasted grinded spices to it. As you can see, the masala is being cooked in the ghee. We add a little bit of curry leaves. You can either add the entire strip or just remove it and add. We add a pinch of turmeric powder. That's the only spice which will go in it. A pinch of salt and a pinch of garam masala. As the curry leaves have already been mixed inside, we add a spoon of the tamarind pulp. And at this stage, we can also add a little bit of fresh coriander. Lastly, we add the boiled eggs to the spices which have already been cooking. And this will not require a lot of cooking as the eggs are already boiled. So just coat the eggs with the masala and let it cook for not more than 2-3 minutes. So well, now the egg ghee roast is ready to be served. This can be eaten either with chapatis or parathas or just as an accompaniment with dal rice. So guys, enjoy!